Behind these walls, a simple bottle of green tea begins its journey.
This bottle looks simple. Just a green tea you drink every day.
But behind it is a factory built to produce green tea at massive scale.
Every temperature, every second, every drop is precisely controlled.
Hi, I'm Daniel, one of the engineers here. Today, I'll show you how bottled green tea is made, from fresh tea leaves to millions of bottles. Let's begin.
Keep it steady there. Okay, that's the last one. Seal the doors now.
Gross weight confirmed at 75,200 pounds. The manifest aligns with the batch data.
Understood. Thank you.
After milling, the tea particles are transferred to a multi-stage sieving and grading station. Here, they pass over
Batch parameters confirmed on screen.
Confirmed. Checklist and tea particle weight match the formulation. We are good to proceed.
The raw water enters our sophisticated multi-layer sand filtration system.
Following sand filtration, the water is channeled through a series of activated carbon filters.
To achieve ultimate clarity, the water undergoes fine cartridge filtration. It passes through meticulously designed
The purified water then enters the critical reverse osmosis system. Under high pressure, water is As a final safeguard, the ultra-pure water passes through a powerful ultraviolet sterilization unit, where it is
As a final safeguard, the ultra-pure water passes through a powerful ultraviolet sterilization unit. This sophisticated system provides the ultra-clean, dry compressed air vital for our pneumatic controls and sterile environments.
This facility relies on precise atmospheric control. Our inert gas systems blanket the product line.
For superior clarity and stability, the tea extract is channeled through this high-speed industrial clarifier.
The crystal clear tea extract is transferred into a sterile, insulated stainless steel holding tank. The bitterness reduction is complete. The blending ratios are perfect, resulting in an optimal flavor profile. This swift and controlled temperature drop is crucial for preserving the delicate volatile compounds, ensuring peak flavor and aroma in the final product.
As you can see, the quality control dashboard is completely clear.
Agreed. The batch meets all specifications. Releasing for blending.
Automated flow meters meticulously regulate the exact volume of syrup, ensuring perfect sweetness and balance for the final tea beverage. At this critical stage, precise automated pumps introduce carefully measured quantities of food-grade antioxidants, like vitamin C. To ensure perfect homogeneity, precise pumps introduce minute quantities of stabilizers, guaranteeing long-term product consistency. Immediately following rapid heating, the tea flows into a precisely engineered holding tube. Inverted on a rotating carousel, bottles are blasted with high-velocity ionized air. The robotic palletizer ensures precise stacking. Once wrapped, AGVs move the goods for scanning.
Thanks for walking the factory floor with me. If you enjoyed this journey, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing factory tours.